Good morning, grade 5. I hope that everybody is doing well and you're ready for today's lesson. So, today we'll be talking about waste. So, here is some different types of waste. So, we have an apple core, which is the core of an apple. We have some paper. We have disposable nappy, plastic bags, and then also some hard plastic, right? So, these are some examples of waste. So before we get into today's lesson, I just want to go over some vocabulary words with you. So I'm sure that you maybe saw some of these words on bottles or on products or maybe posters for awareness about pollution or any kind of products that's trying to help the environment or anything to do with the environment. So we have the first word, longevity. So this means long life or existence or service. So maybe if you go to the shop and your mommy will buy a long life milk, right? Then we have degradable. So this can be of waste products, packaging materials, etc. This means it's capable of being decomposed chemically or biologically, right? Then we have biodegradable, which means it's capable of being decomposed by bacteria or other living organisms and thereby avoiding pollution. So, the difference between degradable and biodegradable is decomposed by using bacteria or living organisms, and degradable can be decomposed by using chemicals or also biologically. So decompose, it's to make or become rotten, decay or cause to decay. So it can cause something to become rotten, right? And then we have decomposition, which is a state or process of rotting or decay. And then we have eco-friendly, which means it's not harmful to the environment. Okay, so I want everybody to open up their textbooks on page 69. Today we'll be reading and then answering the questions. So it says on top of the page, before you read, study the following graph carefully. Number 2. The graph shows you how long it takes different waste items to decompose. This can be called the lifespan of a waste item. So here we have a graph of different waste items that I showed you in the beginning of the video. We have our apple core, paper, plastic bags, disposable nappy and hard plastic. So you can see there on the graph, it shows how each of these things, these items of waste take to decompose, right? So have a look at the graph, and as we can see, hard plastic takes longer, much longer than all the other waste items to decompose. So have a look at that and see. Then we have our after you read questions, which you will have to answer. Okay, so for homework, you need to write the heading, date and page number and draw a line. Then after you draw the line, you need to complete the after you read questions. So question number 3, A to H on page 69. And we know this must be completed in our English workbook. So that's all for homework today. Have a look at the graph, study it, and then answer the questions. Enjoy your homework, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!